It's the Bitcoin scam all over claim the Facebook stuff there. You see, this is how it works. You stop by looking one black friend request, sample friend request become stop lo. Status blue lo friend request tab. Time you check him now by looking some like I know entrepreneurs number out successful people online well. Oh please, walls but decorated with cash and plenty money where how people walk or kisim na testify about how all kisim all money all stuff na just like kind. By you what you are by looking this kind all Facebook. Many people are using Facebook to scam people using Bitcoin's name. Bitcoin is a legit currency that people are trading with. But mila talk you plus trade also. All true man sa trade lo Bitcoin na stop eh. No can think all by everyday online lo Facebook lo help him use stuff. They are on the front lo screen lol. All work busy lo study how trades, world trades work or exchange rates na disla kain all work study no all by busy lo disla na stop eh. Na you disla kain everyday online lo Facebook stuff na trying to prey on someone who is innocent, who knows what is Bitcoin yeah. Please, many Papua New Guineans now we have been scammed there. You know, Facebook is full of fake accounts. So when there is someone who is really a Bitcoin trader online and people are giving testimonies about him or her, those scammers will go and download their videos and download their pictures and photos and create a new fake account and posted it there and making it to look like a real account, and then from there they will use that account to scam other people. You know, you should go to Facebook na by looking hello friend, hello say kain kenol plenty kain kenol very good approach the best approach they can give to someone you will get it on Facebook. Now you can leave the first time old man number out there. Someone please all approach me go through by talk or email or Facebook, but you don't know their intention that they are there to scam you. That's how they are trying to get you hooked up with them in their conversation, where they will control you like a remote until you deposit the sum of money they wanted into their account. So this is how the Bitcoin scam works. So but when you don't be fooled, please ask him old man also before you make him just like I know long blue me na sali money goal hand goal narap man. Please Papua New Guinea now you stop here please. Ogara man la hon lo Bitcoin sol na kay money. Always lo working hard work also creating YouTube channel lo write a blog out kind of trying to make money online. Okay, you do that. Everyone wanna be hacker so you see how old blame you na by you depositing money go inside account all to honestly or make him in a way where or put him you in a situation where by you trust him all straight na how much money all talk by you go deposit there. Now after you deposit finish or by you receiving profit you within 24 hours 24 hours I think him all last kilo 500 kina can deposit him na 24 hours over you after 24 hours by you 22,000 kina. With that, honestly, by don't have resist to you, by don't have strong bet lowly money blue. By kira up soul na by go deposit there. After 24 hours na time you ring lock sim profit blue. All but talk you paying 1,000 kina delivery fee or 2,000 kina delivery fee na money blue ba come up account blue. I'm all just waiting transactions all stop. Money you pay him time or look him the system now. Or by pay money blue come out so. Sali 1,000 kina come. You think motion true na you kira sali sample man all say also man at least also come to the time where all asim can 1,000 kinos give out lab na store. Some of us even after being fooled the first time or you miss still died yet lo kisim this la 22,000 kina lo Bitcoin na after lo you me being fooled the first time with our 500 kina people say kira can go pay 1,000 kina or 2,000 kina ama sol talk leme o dinawo boki wane mosala make him lemo pa make him na salim golo. These all scammers and those scammers they are not from other countries. They are Papua New Guineans who are behind those white men's fake account profile and they are scamming people. So you see how lo catching these all scammers come scamming you me lo scamming money blue me PNG stuff I'm a fellow PNG Papua New Guineans blame it. Also make a motion. How low by you get him all? You look in this lab. Account number and account name where all talking you deposit in this lab. First amount go in there. The second amount, third amount, amas amount all talking you deposit or but okay third party partner bloom plalo this la Bitcoin trading platform you deposit go account them which is their own account or their someone relatives their relatives account where all work or use him lo scamming people time or you all work of pay into that account now work or use him. So how to catch these scammers? You go to the courthouse, get a court order from the courthouse, come back, put a stop to the account until the owner comes and talks with you, and you will uplift that hold from the account. You see, that's how you get installed scammers because BSP no not talking you too straight or say account but install man or one and number not have give information nothing unless you have a court order from the courthouse to grant you permission to put a hold on this account, so the owner of the account can come later and court one time you pass them now okay either straight him you or straight him you na kisim back account blame okay if poret lol sin pasin blame losing one way na losing thing la account so that's how this Bitcoin scam works stuff. No one thing no one thing also you go to Facebook sol na pressing button sta na la million ba konse la account. Internet, it's like physical space where in order for you to make money on the internet, you must own an asset or you must sell a service or a product online to make money online. You cannot just stay there and typing all post do nothing na upload stuff na by you making money yo. Salim monthla 500 kina golo Bitcoin na. Kising 22,000 kina overnight o. Kama millionaire overnight. This all scam all passing eh. Am ko west ya. Now at the Facebook pa you looking man. Kuman meri ba stop ko pag yaman stop ko now. First up pa start him you want them. Aya samta kainol. Very nice people approach where. Oh but talk you aya hello say where do you come from? How are you? How are you feeling? How bisa kind of gatol gaman all talk look catch him attention blue time you get hooked time you start reply to them and that's finished. You are hooked to their conversation. They will control you like a remote until you made a transaction or deposit or you made a transaction or you deposit some amount of money into their account that they wanted you to deposit to. So that's how the Bitcoin scam works. So Papua New Guinea, please don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. In Papua New Guinea, you got a legit way to make money online stuff. Like number one, you create a YouTube channel. That's where you can earn from the YouTube ad revenue, or you can earn from many other monetization options there. You can earn from it. And another thing that you can earn from is a blogger. You create a blogger website and you write blogs about any important things or issues or anything, and you make money from it. Okay. That's the two Google products that our country is in the eligible demography where we can monetize our content with the ad revenue. You click a website or you watch a video from YouTube, you will see advertisement popping up. That's when you make money from your content being posted online. So that's how to make money online. Not like, hey, you sit down sold stuff now. Some random stranger just inbox you with a very pleasant approach and you got hooked to them in their conversation and they started controlling you like a remote until you deposit the amount of money they wanted into their account, and then they get that money and they disappear. Or sometimes they will just continue if they see that you are so desperate and wanted to still get your 22,000 kina, they will play you up until you reach a stage where you are broke and you cannot even call afford to call the scammer themselves. So Pawanegini, please, like you plan it's the kind of scam passing will come up inside the country start there. Me kind bikini where me adopt finish the internet, so kind of long and minus tolerate with. I never fell under a scam. My ways of making money online are legit, and there with Google, the big well search engine. You know, YouTube is owned by Google, and Blogger is owned by Google. These are two things that are making money from online. And another good online app is for making money is the Premise application. You can find a video of the Premise application in my channel. You can search and see how to make money online in PNG, and you watch that video and you get it from there. It's a kind of a tutorial, online money making tutorial in PNG. Yeah. So PNG, please, honestly, it's like kind of passing to scamming money to Narabal man. Just trying thing. Sample brothers, sample mama, papa. Hey, please, all uneducated man married to walking boy right there. Sample tribal, titsana, doctana, nurse now. Public servants get full there because of our technological illiteracy. I mean, we are not computer literate, some of us. So that's why people are gaining advantage over it to scam people and get money out of their pockets, their hard-earned cash. So please, Pawanegini, beware and take care of yourself. Don't be fooled. Or lapun number to make him borat. You mean young man marry number to all fool him, you mean, please. You know, white man fool you me to borat. Them all sample blurry all tricky, clever Pawaneginians all stop no logo claim this all pass in there. These are written scripts. All save you somewhere in the inboxes. So they will start copy and paste, and sometimes you look how will respond back to you number there. But this kirap no go to say please. They don't even read your response. If you say yes or if you say no, you reply something else. Open on our sawestana, all but just give you narapla kain answer way. You know thing him them because all go copy and paste stuff. So that's why Pawanegini, please. The internet is a dangerous place. So Pawanegini, take care of yourself, take care of your money, and stay blessed. Thank you for watching, and please give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and stay blessed, kids.